Looking for the best electrician tools to power up your toolkit? You're in the right place. Our channel delivers quality product insights daily to help you make smarter buying decisions. Stick around and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more expert picks. Number 1. Wire cutter and wire stripper. If you're searching for a reliable and efficient wire cutter and stripper, the Klein Tools 1155 is a must-have in any electrician's toolkit. Proudly made in the USA, this tool is designed for both stranded and solid copper wire, making it incredibly versatile for a range of electrical tasks. Its precision ground stripping holes ensure clean and accurate wire stripping every time, helping you work faster with fewer mistakes. The hardened cutting edge handles copper wires with ease, while the ergonomic handle design offers a firm, comfortable grip, perfect for extended use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional electrician, you'll appreciate its compact build and the quality craftsmanship Klein Tools is known for. This tool not only saves time, but also delivers dependable performance you can count on. Watch our full review to see how it performs in real use, and decide if it's the right fit for your workbench. Number 2. Rotary hammer drill. If you're searching for a powerful and reliable rotary hammer drill for heavy-duty tasks, the Eniacro 1¼ SDS Plus rotary hammer drill is a solid contender. Equipped with a robust 13-amp motor, this tool is built to handle demanding applications like concrete drilling, chipping, and masonry work with ease. It features 4 versatile functions: drill, hammer, hammer drill, and chisel, which make it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The safety clutch design protects your wrist and the tool in case of sudden bit jams, while the vibration control system enhances comfort during extended use. Whether you're drilling through tough surfaces or chiseling concrete, this tool gives you better control and precision. This rotary hammer comes complete with a durable carrying case, a set of chisels, drill bits, and grease, so you're ready to work right out of the box. Built for efficiency and durability, the Eniacro rotary hammer drill is a great investment for anyone looking to tackle tough jobs confidently and comfortably. Number 3. Digital multimeter. The Klein Tools MM320 Kit Digital Multimeter Electrical Test Kit is a must-have for any electrician's toolkit. This professional-grade kit includes a digital multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester, a receptacle tester, and a sturdy carrying case, along with included batteries, everything needed for efficient and accurate electrical testing. The MM320 multimeter handles voltage, current, resistance, and continuity checks with ease, featuring a clear, backlit display for visibility in any environment. The non-contact voltage tester provides a fast and safe way to detect live wires, while the receptacle tester quickly diagnoses wiring issues in outlets. Built for reliability and convenience, this kit is designed to keep up with the demands of the job site. Klein Tools' reputation for precision and durability makes the MM320 kit a solid choice for both daily use and quick inspections. Number 4. Fish tape. If you're an electrician or DIY enthusiast looking for a reliable fish tape, the Klein Tools 56335 might be exactly what you need. This 25-foot flat steel fish tape is designed for high durability and control, with a 1/4 inch wide spring steel construction that makes it ideal for pulling wire through conduits, walls, and tight spaces. One of the standout features is its laser-etched 1-foot markings, allowing for accurate depth measurements while fishing. It also comes with a slim plastic tip that glides smoothly without catching or damaging insulation. Whether you're working on a small home project or a larger commercial job, this tool offers excellent strength and flexibility. Plus, Klein Tools is a trusted name in the electrical industry, so you know you're getting quality. Number 5. Insulated needle-nose pliers. If you're looking for reliable electrician-grade pliers, the SATA 6-inch VDE insulated linesman combination pliers might be exactly what you need. Built with a tough chrome vanadium steel body, these pliers offer durability and strength that can handle everyday electrical tasks with ease. The VDE insulation is certified for up to 1000 volts, making them safe for professional electrical work. The dual-material anti-slip handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Whether you're gripping, twisting, or cutting wire, the precision machine jaws give you excellent control and performance. At just 6 inches in length, they're compact enough for tight spaces, yet strong enough for heavy-duty tasks. Ideal for electricians, technicians, or any DIY enthusiast who values safety and precision. The SATA ST7331 ST is a solid addition to any toolbox. Stick around as we take a closer look at its features, build quality, and real-world performance.